purse. I finished my makeup. I'm already on my way to the library. It arrived at the library. We went to do our campus assessment first. We want to take a photo pose. I want to go home. That's all for the video. Bye bye.